All right, good morning. It is day 4 of Mustang week. Surprisingly, there is nothing on the calendar, like no official events for Mustang week for today. Not sure why. There are unofficial events, and this unofficial event is taking some parade laps on the racetrack. I don't actually remember which racetrack it is right now, but we'll find out when we get there. We're meeting up with a couple other people who want to cruise on in together, and I'm hoping it's going to be a big turnout, or maybe less, so that way we can get on the track and we're not there all day. I'm also trying to go to the boardwalk. I'd like to do touristy things other than Mustang related activities, so let's hope it's not all day. But I am very excited for the racetrack. I also wanted to formally say thank you very much for all the support. These videos have been doing very well. I've gained a lot of traction, a lot of subscribers, and I really appreciate all y'all's support. I knew it was gonna help out a little bit, but I didn't think it was gonna help this much. So right now, as of filming, we have 58 subs. Again, the original goal was 50. I think the new goal was 65, but let's just push it to 75 for the end of the year. I got a couple more things this year that I know of that'll be fun to watch. And I really do hope you consider subscribing if you're not already. Also, please hit that like button. That helps a lot. I like to see the little thumbs up button go higher. So do me a solid there. Also, if you haven't watched the last video, highly recommend. Like I said in the video, it was probably the best day of Mustang week yet. I don't want to give everything away, but I really go watch the video. It was a good event. It was fun. Okay, we made it. So far, a lot of good turnout. You got even more coming in. All right, this is gonna be a good trip. We got a Durango Hellcat here. I'd like one of these. I think it's like the perfect dad car. Haul all the kids to soccer practice, get all the groceries, and kick ass on the track. It's pretty cool. All right, we're heading out. I don't even know how many of us we have. I think we have at least like 30 of us. Finally made it. Darlington Raceway. Okay, we're all checked in. So, I'm excited. This is gonna be a good time. All right, here we go. I don't know if we're staging or getting on. I don't know. I think we're staging. I'm not nervous, but the excitement nerves are in. I feel them. Dude, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. All right. Holy shit, we're literally on here. Holy crap. I'm a little shaky. All right, so they just went over the little safety briefing. We're gonna be doing 80 in the straightaways, 70 in the curves. totally fine with me. Old girl can keep up, no problem. This is gonna be sick. Oh, woo-hoo. If y'all are enjoying, please drop a like on this video. I would appreciate that. And if you really like the content, hit that subscribe button. Mustang Week is not over, and nor is the content for the year. Be a part of it, enjoy the time, and honestly, I hope this gets you guys out on the track and doing fun things with the car. You know, these cars were meant to be driven. So, hell, why not drive them? Let's do this. Holy shit, we're on a curve. Oh my God. Holy fuck. Holy shit. I think we'll keep it in third. Holy shit, this is awesome. Wanna like... Poor Mach 1 behind me. Hey, we're following the rules. I think I could be out here all fucking day. No joke. car sounds so good in here. We're in the museum part now. We just finished the laps. Hey, Doc Hudson. Look who's here. So let's take a peek on what they got. Very cool. Got the shell of a race car right here. It's pretty sweet. All right, we're all done with the day. It was a good time. Track laps were sick. Darlington, thank you for a fun time. Guys, catch you in the next one. Deuces.